Hope you are all having a good day. Today is a cook with me day. Just a simple, quick spaghetti dish. So, as you can see, I've already put all my ingredients down. I'm already boiling, pre-boiling the spaghetti. Yeah, and I got frozen mixed veg here, some seasoned oil, chili pepper, non-Maggi cube, mackerel fillets, and I'm using this mushroom tomatoes pasta sauce. I'm going to be putting a bit of the jumbo crayfish, and in this pot I got my salt. Okay guys, and I have garlic and ginger. It's already blend and put into a cube. Okay guys, so first thing first, pre-cook your spaghetti. As you can see, I've already been cooking it because I don't want the video to be too long. So you pre-cook it. When I mean pre-cook it, I mean cook it that it's not cooked yet. Just pre-cook it. Okay guys, and afterwards I'm actually going to turn the cooker off so I can drain the water off. So I drain the water off. Well, when I drain the water off, not drain all the water off, you have to leave a bit of water inside the pan still. So there still have to be some water inside the spaghetti. Alright guys, so let me go and drain the water, and then I'll come back and show you guys what's next. Okay guys, I forgot to show you the cooking oil. I'm going to be adding a bit of vegetable oil on it. So yeah, I've drained my pasta. As you can see, there's still water in there. As you can see. So now I'm going to be cooking it on a bit of a low heat. Yeah, there's still water. Can you guys see the water still? Yeah, so you don't drain all the water out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be adding my mushroom sauce. In fact, I'm just going to be adding everything, but I'll start by adding the mushroom sauce first. Okay guys, so I've added my pasta sauce to the spaghetti, and I'm just going to add my garlic and ginger. I'm going to be adding some cooking oil, vegetable cooking oil. It. So now I'm going to be adding some salt, just a little salt, not too much. Some of my jumbo crayfish flavor. I'm going to be adding some seasoned oil. I'm not measuring, you just add what you prefer, what you think you prefer. Some chili. If you don't like chili, please skip this part if you don't like pepper. I'm going to stir it now. So this is a quick, simple spaghetti recipe. Just quick, simple. So, oops, sorry guys, just dropped my pot cover. Sorry for the noise. My pot cover just crashed, just fell down. Okay guys, so I'm going to be adding my mixed vegetables. You can add as much as you want. You can see it's frozen. As I said, this is just a quick food. Remember, I'm cooking on a low heat. I'm using a electric cooker, so the mark is on 4. I've set it to 4 so that I don't want anything getting burnt, okay? Okay guys, you can see it's looking pretty. It's looking colorful. Yeah. So I've added my minced veg. So next I'm going to be adding my seasoning. I have 2 non-cube here. I'm going to be adding, I'm thinking maybe I'll add one of this and then 1 from this one. Okay guys, yeah, so I'm going to be adding 1 of this one. And then 1 of this one. I'm going to be taking 1, so that's 3. So now when you add this, you taste. If it doesn't taste okay to you, you can add more of this season cube. I don't believe in using just 1 cube. If it doesn't taste okay, add more to it so you have a good taste. Okay guys, I'm sure you don't want your food to taste bland. You want you want the food to taste good. So by the time you add it, the seasoning cube, and it doesn't taste okay, add 1 more to it so it can taste good. Okay, so our food is getting there. I'm just going to rinse a bit of this tomatoes pasta sauce. Put a bit of water and pour it in there. Okay guys, so I'm going to stir it. Let's give my cooker a bit of a clean. Okay, so I'm going to stir it now. Yeah, so now I'm going to add my mackerel. I'm using 2 of the mackerel fillets. That's the mackerel. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, so I just use the spoon to break the mackerel fish. And then I'm going to stir everything together. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to taste it to make sure that there's enough salt, enough seasoning cube. Just like as I said before, make sure you taste it. Don't cook without tasting it. Taste it to make sure that your taste is good, okay? Tastes good, so I don't need to add anything else to it. So all I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cover it and let it simmer for. Remember, I've already pre-cooked this spaghetti already before, so I'm only just cooking it for the other stuff to cook, the vegetable, everything else. So I'm going to leave it for like between 5 to 6 minutes. I think everything should be ready by then. Okay guys, and I'll show you guys how it looks like when it's ready. Okay guys, so that's the spaghetti. It's been 5 minutes. Yeah, I actually set the time just to make sure it's 5 minutes. Okay, it's actually ready, as you can see. It's ready and it's not burnt because I cook it on a low heat. So it's ready now. I'm just going to dish it. Got my bowl here. Okay guys, so that's my quick spaghetti recipe. You can try it. I'll leave the ingredients that I used on the description box. So that's it. Yeah guys, let me just bring my plate to the table. Okay guys, that's my spaghetti. Smells good, even though I didn't put any curry or thyme in there, but it smells good and it tastes yummy. Give it a try, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Okay guys, bye.